Hi everyone, my name is Luz Gonzalez. I use she, her pronouns, and this year I am the Vice President of the Delta Chi chapter of Lambda Theta Alpha Latin Sorority Incorporated. We are the very first Latin-based sorority to ever be established in the nation. We were established on December 1st of 1975 in Union, New Jersey. Our principles are unity, love, and respect, and we work every day to make sure that we embody those principles in our everyday lives.
Hi everyone, my name is Rayleigh Garza, my pronouns are she, her, hers, and I am this year's chapter president of the Delta Chi chapter of Lambda Theta Alpha Latin Sorority Incorporated. Some of the events that we are involved in on campus have been SI, WOW, PCW, and CultureFest. We also like to support and be involved with other organizations on our campus, and this is just another example of how we exemplify our principle of unity.
Hi, my name is Diana Olivares, and my pronouns are she, her, hers, and I'm the chapter secretary. Something we do to show our unity and respect is saluting, which is a unique tradition that few organizations do. Saluting is a form of storytelling that is organized and militant-esque that tells about our members, the chapter, or the organization as a whole. It's also a great and creative way for our members to show their honor and pride of being a sister/sibling.
Hi everyone, my name is Berenice Gonzalez, my pronouns are she, her, hers, and I serve as the chapter orientation advisor for the Delta Chi chapter of Lambda Theta Alpha Latin Sorority Incorporated, and our organization is super excited to meet you all at CultureFest and be participating this year. So what we're going to be having is a live session on Friday, October 23rd at 3 p.m. We will be making mangonadas and we will be discussing our culture and our identities together. So we really look forward to that. If you would like to be a part of that, we are Track A, and to register for that, you would go to tinyurl.com/CultureFest 2020 capital A. So we'll be super excited to see you soon, and we hope that you enjoy our saluting video and a little montage of our organization.
Lambda Lady Salute!